Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me makeup, and it's going to be something simple to just kind of run some errands and do some things around the apartment. So we're going to get right into it. So first thing I like to do is just put some chapstick on my lips. They do feel pretty dry. It's a very cold day in Chicago today. So yeah, I think it's like 12 degrees out, something like that. And I have already showered. I did my hair, and I've already prepped my skin by putting sunscreen on. I put sunscreen on every single day, twice a day. So that's kind of done and ready. So now we are just putting primer on, and this is the Bare Minerals Blush Remedy Mattifying Primer. Don't put a lot on, just enough to cover up, like a nice thin layer. Okay, so next we're going in with my Laura Geller foundation. This is a little bit dark for me right now because it is my summer color, but I am still pretty tan. My face is just pretty light, so if it comes up on camera that it's dark, it matches me right now. And my face is just, like I said, very pale. But I do love this stuff. I usually do a thin layer, and you do have to like buff it in, so it might look like I'm putting a lot on, but I'm barely tapping it on the foundation itself. But this stuff like hides blemishes really well. And they color correct to your skin, which is also really nice. So I do appreciate that. And if I'm moving to the side, it's because my camera is like dead center of my mirror. So work with me here. Okay. And then we're just going to do a thin layer down the neck, because we never want it to be noticeable that our face is darker. And so this is like a lighter shade for me. In the summer I do get really dark, and I haven't purchased a fall one yet, but she was having a like 60% off sale on Cyber Monday, so I wish I would have purchased, but the website was super, I guess, overwhelmed, that it did freeze up and we got kicked out quite a few times. So mad I didn't grab any, but that's okay because I can work with what I have right now. Like I said, they're not that much darker considering my actual skin tone is pretty dark. It's just my face never gets tan. All right, so next I'm trying to gather all my products out. Yeah, I think that's good. All right, so next we're gonna go in with this Marc Jacobs bronzer. I don't even think this is a bronzer, it's like an all over color, but I bought a very dark shade. Like it's very dark, so I just use it as a bronzer, and it comes with this really cool brush that magnetizes to the outside of the case. And I'll show you guys right now. So you just pop this open and this magnet, and then you pop it closed. And if you need it, you just pull it out. I think it's so cool. I'm really sad. I don't think Marc Jacobs makes much makeup anymore, and it's such a shame because the packaging on his stuff was gorgeous and the products are really good. So it's unfortunate, but I do still have a lot of his stuff and I'm gonna use it until it runs out. Okay, next we're going to go in with blush. Oh, and I'll show you guys the blush I'm using after. So I literally just dip my flat like kabuki and just go on my cheeks and over my nose. And this is the Laura Geller in Apricot Berry. And then once I do that, because it is a little bit aggressive, I just go in with my foundation one that I use and blend it in. And I do have 2 of them, so. All right, and then next we're gonna go in with our Laura Geller highlighter, and this is in Gilded Honey. This is her most like popular color. I'm pretty sure this went viral a few years ago. And I own like 20 of these. So, I mean, you can see just how pigmented they are. Like, it's gorgeous. And I do also like using this as eyeshadow base, or just eyeshadow in general, I guess. In the winter, I like my eyes to be really bright. Okay. And then we're gonna quickly do our eyebrows. So I'm just using this Physicians Formula pencil. I do have a really nice Marc Jacobs one, but this is my last refill that I have in it. And since I discontinued a lot of his stuff, I save that for when I'm going out. This is a nice substitute. And we'll brush them over at the end. So I have pretty nice eyebrows in general. So I basically just outline and fill in, I guess. There's not much that I need to do. I think my eyebrows are like the one thing I'm just terrible at doing also. So I hope that they look good. But I typically don't do much. So that's it. And then I'm gonna take my Glossier Boy Brow, and I'm just going to go over them so they hold in place. And this one's in the color brown. All right, next we're gonna do eyes. So I am going to use this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner, and I'm so sad. It was a Wet n Wild Fergie edition, and it is the best eyeliner I've ever used. I wish that I would have purchased 100 of these because it takes one swipe and your eyes are like tinted. They're black. I've been sitting onto this for the longest time. So I'll show you guys right now. So one swipe. I mean, look at that. That's one swipe. And I usually do like 2 or 3. It's amazing. Even my really expensive brands don't do that. I mean, it's so good. So I'm sad they don't make this anymore. And I've had this for a long time, so I'm hoping I don't get like an eye infection from it, but it's almost done. All right, next I'm going to line my lips and then we'll go back and finish eyes. And I am using the Ulta Contour Lip Liner in the color Rustic. I love this color. I use it every single day. And I feel like I've had that for several years and I use it every day and it has not run out. Next, I'm going in with this Dior lipstick. It's in the color 1947. It's called Dior Addict, I believe, or Miss Dior. I don't even know. 1947 is the color, though. I love this lipstick. I got it for Christmas a couple years ago, I think last year or the year before. So basically it's just a refill lipstick and then you had to buy the case. So I do have like my winter case and then I have a summer case. Adorable. And I could even put the same lipstick in there and it works. They're so cute. But I have been using the darker one for winter right now, so. And then we're gonna finish up the eyes. And the eyeliner I'm using is by the Flower brand. I just picked this up at, I think it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And it's pretty good. I will say the only thing I don't like is it transfers easily. And I don't like that. And when I say transfer, hold on. I'm like I have to concentrate when I do my eyeliner. I have to be super focused. Which I think that looks good. Okay, so when I say that it transfers, when you open your eyelids, like the eyeliner will stick on top, and I absolutely hate that in an eyeliner. I hate it. And it has done that to me twice now. So I don't know if it was because maybe it was cold out and I was sweating with my scarf on or something. I don't know. I don't see how I would sweat on my eyelids, but it did that. So I'm not too sure. I'm gonna try it out again. And if anything, I'm going to finish the eyeliner because I bought it. But the unfortunate thing is I bought two. Like I always buy multiples, especially eyeliner. I'll buy like a few if I find a good brand at Marshall's. And it's not like the greatest brand, right? Like a Flower brand. But I've heard the brand is good. I can't remember if I think it's True Barrymore. It could be, who is that? Bobby Brown. I don't even know. So I was like, oh yeah, I'll get this. And it was only like $3, $4. Mascara, I go in first with the Tartelette XL, just because the wand is smaller and it gets all of my eyelashes. And then I go in with my Bite because it has thicker brush and it coats them with a lot of mascara. I never go back in. I'm just doing this right now because I saw a clump there and the thinner one works better. But I usually just do Tartelette first and then Bite. All right, so here is my finished look. I think it looks pretty good. It's simple, like I said, it's not too crazy. It took us around 10 minutes if we didn't chit-chat and show products off, but I think it looks great. I'm so mad because I blow dried my hair and I blow dried this piece this way and then I've moved it over and now it just has like a bump. So I am either gonna fix that or I'm gonna put my hair like up like that and kind of just let my front forward pieces hang. I don't know yet, but we're gonna work with it. But that was the end of my makeup tutorial. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my small channel grow. I'm trying to get to that next milestone, so every subscription and every like and every comment really helps me. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.